What did I do? What you that do? Answer that.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers, to another video on Poland. So in other video today we are talking about where the description say, and also Queen Nikki trick each and every individual about a thieving video. You see me? Right, we'll kick it off the realest way. First and foremost, you have thief we petty, thief we thief big, and thief we fake it like this. And so with that out of the way, I just want to clear up the B name, because even me, you see me, flag something about her, and end of the day, a good thing I never did a beat down nobody, and you see what I mean in her life. This is what I mean, Jaja. So end of the day, it was a music video, guys. Everybody get tricked. Nikisha wasn't actually stealing. So just to clear the air, you see me, Shenseea, I'm talking about ear. Shenseea ear is growing actually. She posted a clip, and me observe it, and I go find a next picture and look at it. Like, it's actually, it grew a lot. Like, yeah. So I mean, it's a good look, Shen Yang. We know you're a good breed. Mix and them something like the allergies. But yeah, it'll work. Anyways, guys, squash the 6 bars. Big up yourself. Take a couple picture and the Gucci down, you know, with a one watch spot on the man. And this is the Richard Miller. If nobody don't know, Richard Miller is a watch cars over 500,000. I think that $500,000 US. You see me? So a person, you have a website where track celebrity fake lifestyle and thing, and I think them do the research and the results came in, said, dog, Richard was really fake like Jackie or one. As an artist, you can't do them things. They can me see it and I believe, because we not put it past him. Say pray. Yeah, man. So Zaga is all now, which are being man of this weird question, kind of freaky weird question.
So you a big bad man and you rule on a so. You know what's in a pussy enough figure in your mouth, like you'll give 10 million if you bite that out. What did I do? What you that do? Answer that.
Wait, oh no, with that do, eh? I swear that brother your lie name Slick White Line. The man claims say him no Shenseea like that.
Never interested. Me used to go more than I. I'm only in a 10th grade, Shenseea in a 8th grade. Never interested. She used to look me. Them time me I wear. We call that cream top. And Shenseea wear brown suit. I mean I want nobody in a brown suit, because them time me a hot boy. Me a hot boy. So when me in a 10th grade, a teacher, me there with a Mona. And Shenseea used to look me. She used to look like a cardboard straight. Long before she do breast and body and them something. She used to have a friend named Agatha. Every minute she sent love letter to me. Never interested. Never interested, yo. Fix a Valley, big up yourself. Fix a Valley, no. See him, some of my friends Fix a Valley there. Him know. Shenseea used to look me hard. That's why you see Ramesh block me now. Ramesh not doing me now. Ramesh block me. I know Shenseea used to look me hard, you know. Ramesh goes to Bamsa, invest a piece of money and do Shenseea body and do her breast and them something, you know. You know, them are going like them as shit. But I remember Shenseea used to look me. She used to send love letter to her with her friend when you get her. Yeah. Never interested though. Shenseea, big up yourself, you're bossing life. One day thing. Yeah, them boss sleep me too. Yeah, you see it? One no know things, but me too lie. One no know things. Me tell me the truth and not talk, me too lie. One no know things, sure. Where are you? When I want place, when I want part of big girl and talk to your first and say I hear when you teeth white like chalk. Round this minute. Shen never in a 7th grade, she in a She did in a 8th grade. Yeah, and she used to come give me her lunch money because she the one big man. Yeah. When me in a 10th grade, she in a 11th grade. And people remember some not so old, you know, me don't go look old. You understand? Yeah. Busy signal in a higher grade than we do. Yeah. When me in a 7th grade, busy signal come like me that left school in 10th, then in a 11th grade. Yeah. Who else again? Remember them, yeah. Yes, so I'm off asleep, Simone.
So then I have crews that come on.
Yeah, but they assigned to you were gone. No, they must have them assigned to that place there, so yes, so they have to do what they have to do, isn't it? I really wanna take you to places, make you meet so many different faces. I always wish to see you in the morning time, and I will always share my joy with you. I really wanna take you to places, make you meet so many different faces. Proud, always wish to see you in the arms in the morning time, and I will always share my joy with you. Remember raw deal, remember good. Yes. Remember raw deal a big bad artist, you know. Likewise Refix too, you know. Yeah. Big up raw deal, you know the thing, man. Yes, I. Hey, come out of my face now. All you have to do is lock off your phone if you don't want me in your face. Because this is my phone. And I'm me turn on my phone. So all you have to do is lock off your phone if you don't want to see me in your face. Or switch the channel. Simple as that. Switch the blood. With you. Fix up add him, but I want add raw deal too. I want add raw deal to people. I don't know if him just wait so him not got that bad singing voice. When you could all hear me sing and feel like a joke to me, a big song the man going on. But due to how I don't really have that singing voice there. Them say I can't sing a Mac and Jerry thing. Don't take me for fool, boy, yeah. In the morning time, and I will always share my joy with you.
Yo,
Fix them.
well, go on, I don't watch Madura or nothing, dog. You see me big up all the people on the live this morning. Good morning. FFR! Oh, fuck that. What's
Fix.
on, bro?
Where are you been?
So, yeah, you know, I get ready to go up on the slavery, you know? In America.
Fix. We need to use your connects them, because me a forward of Florida. I want to shoot.
Again?
No, I'm not forward of Florida this time, but I mean, maybe next 2 weeks from now.
Where?
Fix, come now, give me the slow virus sketcher.
What you say?
You make the slow virus sketcher, man.
I know me, man.
try a fight again. Terry, what go on? The whole of Barbican, what go on? What whole heap of love, you know? Sure, no, you cough.
Yo, I'm cut off floor. I'm just gonna get a digital chip.
That is it. That me attack.
But I hope the sponsorship working, bro. Cause yo, me stress.
Listen to me. Wait a sec. You got digital now?
Yeah, I just got the digital chip. It was here chilling, but like, you know, like my friend, you know,
Yeah.
I work with Digicel and say, yo, I can't be using Flow talking to my Digicel nigga, dog. So I said, yo, you know what, dog? I'm gonna switch on the Digicel chip right quick.
Everybody tag Digicel right now. Everybody at this present time, at this present moment, tag Digicel, please.
I'm gonna tag Digicel.
Tag Digicel.
So what did I say now?
What was I saying now? Oh yeah, so me gonna need you to link up the camera people them, bro. Come on, do a video shoot, bro. You see me?
Okay.
Yeah, about 2 weeks from now. But more you pull the strings from now and spend the money.
Brother, I shoot your video just forward. That's it.
That more.
No. We don't wanna, you know what I'm saying?
Yes. That's
yeah,
what I want.
to tag Digicel Jamaica right now, please.
Yes, tag Digicel.
Yo, I'm not gonna start nothing for your life, man. I gotta left it alone. It's Friday.
Him fought for the life and him have the slow virus and the